Hey guys, the reason I don't have face cam on is because in this video it might get in the way of something. So what we are going to do is show you how to edit Minecraft to make a resource pack. So here, just type in %, and it'll lead you to this screen right here. Or you can just do it down here in the start. So just bring up that. Then, there we go. Then go to .minecraft. Then you should go into your versions. Find the version you are going to just edit, and then you will find 2 files. This thing is just something I made up here, so yeah, it has some stuff. Yeah, actually, I just kind of extracted it and put it here. You're gonna have to extract, and it's not required to have this up here. This is actually just totally nothing. This is a JSON file. It has a lot of code in it, and this is a jar file, so you need to copy that with this copy button here. I know some keyboard shortcuts, so I don't really need that to happen. Then make a folder. Yeah, just keep the name new folder. I don't really care very much. And just paste right here. Then you should click on that. Then you need to have a zipping application, like say 7-zip. And you need to have your zipping application have extract to whatever the version is. Then click on it. Then it will extract for you. I have 7-zip on my PC, so I will use 7-zip. While it extracts, while it unzips, boom. There we go. Now we have this. And now assets you will need to copy. Then just paste it right here. In your desktop, just somewhere, anywhere. Anywhere. It's also kind of hard to use the keyboard shortcuts with assets, so I don't know why, but just don't use the keyboard shortcuts with assets. There we go. Now we will go back into our thing here and hold down Control and then press A button, or whatever you want to do. Just select every file. Then delete all of this. Every single file in here has to be deleted. This stuff all runs Minecraft, but it's completely copied, so you still have it running Minecraft. If that wasn't there, Minecraft would be super glitchy. Then go down to your asset thing, copy that, then go back into where you were and paste that. Then it will start to copy. Then once it is done copying, it will paste right here. Inside your assets folder, go into your Minecraft folder and then go to textures. That's how you edit. And then go to block textures if you want to edit blocks. And then say we are going to edit oak planks. There we go. Then you can edit with something. You can edit with, yeah. Then you can just go over here and edit all you'd like. Just edit as much as you want to. You can add red. You can add black. maybe orange. And yeah, you can just edit like a bunch. So then you can just put it like that. And then what you want to do, you can also edit entity textures, like anything you want to. You can edit it just like that. I don't need to edit it. It's kind of hard to edit entities because it looks all weird. And also you can edit item textures oh no. And you can like just edit the stuff and you have to like refresh it whenever you want it to show up. If it doesn't show up and it doesn't show up edited, so then you should just go over where you can actually see assets, which is here. And then once you're done editing, use anything to make a text. So just add new and then click on text document. So then what you want to do is just click edit. Simply just click edit. Then you can, there's actually a video I might want to show you. I'll put the link in the description, but how to create there we go, right here. And you don't need to watch the video. I'll put this URL in the description. You can probably see it right now, but I'll put it in the description for you to click on or copy. So then what you can do is you can just highlight all of this. Just this, and then you can actually copy it, then paste it. And I'll show you what the pack format is about on the Wiki. So let's go to the Wiki, and I'll show you what you have to do with it. So go to the resource pack wiki. So it'll just go down here and just the pack format. This has to say number 1 if it can be used for version 1.6.1 to 1.8.9. 2 for just 1.9 or 1.10.2, and 3 for 1.11 to 1.12.2, and 4 for 1.13 to 1.14.4. And that's the latest release, so I'll have this be number 4. Then also I don't want it to be number 1 because that would be P. LOL. Well, whatever. I'm just gonna have in this description, I'll show you what that does. I'll have the say example. Then we'll have file, save as, and then make sure it's right here, and save as type. This has to say, it totally has to say all files. It can't say TXT. It has to say all files, or else your resource pack will not work. You have, and the file name is actually, usually the file name isn't that important, but here it literally, it's so important that it's pack.mc meta. Minecraft metadata, and pack actually makes it work. So then you can just save it. Then go back into your file explorer and you will see another text document that's generated. Also this one that you actually made, but this one you can delete. Also, you can, I'm just gonna take a random pic of this. You can so you can have a PNG file, portable network graphic. You can have a PNG file, and you can go wherever it is. So then you can copy it, then go into your like place, which is in here. So then you can put it here. I'm gonna say pack. So then, once you're done with that, you should select all 3 of these files. Then go to something, and most zipping applications say add to archive, so you have to click on that and make sure the archive format is zip. Then you can just make sure that .zip is, make sure it is there, because don't you dare delete that. I'll just name it example pack for video. .zip. Then you can click OK, and it will zip it up for you. Then example pack for video is here. Now you can copy it. You should copy this. Then go into your app data % thing where you went to the versions, but then you don't click on versions. Go to resource packs. I already have a million of them in here, so paste that one in, example pack for video. And then you can now start up Minecraft, and you will, it has to be the correct release, because yeah, it'll say it's made for a newer or an older version. So then I'll click play. And then we will start up our Minecraft game, which I will show you. I don't know why it's taking so long, but wait, what's in this file? Explorer thing. So, yeah, it's just nothing. So yeah, we can close out of that, and then you can just wait for it to go. It's hopefully not gonna take too long. If it is, I'm going to trim this video. There we go. Now we can just go ahead and start up our Minecraft world and turn our resource pack on by going to your options, and I'll show you. I'll show you once all of the chunks loaded, because not all of the chunks are loaded in fully. All of them are loaded in. So let's just join my world. Oh, I'm gonna join my world. So, game mode, create. There we go. There we go. now we will go into resource packs. Where is the thing? There we go. Example pack for video.zip. So we will grab our oak planks, and yeah. See, I got a million of these, and they're all edited. These oak plank textures, as you can see right now, they have been edited. Let me just get ready for you. Get it in for you guys. See, it's the textures like right here. You can see, and right down here. It's a little thing. And yeah, as you can see, it has been changed a little bit. So then now I'm going to go in. Yeah, see, that is how to make a resource pack. Hope you enjoyed. If you want more tutorial videos or videos about tutorials, you can comment down below. Maybe even what you want me to teach you about, or something you don't know about Minecraft and you want to learn it. Well then, I'll then comment down below, and I'll reply. I'll reply. As soon as I look at the notification, I always look at my notifications. My YouTube notifications, I look at them all the time. Wait, in fact, let me just see if I have any new ones.
Okay, so I've recently been asked how to create.
You don't need to watch it, but I have lots of notifications. But I always look at my notifications as soon as I see them. So just comment down below, and as soon as I go back to YouTube, I will see it, and I will try to reply to all of you guys' comments. And yep, I will tell you if I can do that or not. So, hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next tutorial or the next video, and goodbye.